If you're receiving Social Security benefits, SSI or SSDI, October 2025 brings important payment updates that could affect your monthly check. The Social Security Administration has confirmed specific payment dates and changes that every beneficiary needs to know about, especially with the 2025 cost of living adjustment already in effect and new electronic payment requirements starting September 30th. The October 2025 Social Security payment schedule follows the standard system that determines when you receive your benefits based on your birth date and the type of benefits you collect. Understanding this schedule is crucial because it affects when your money arrives in your account and helps you plan your monthly budget accordingly. The Social Security Administration has maintained its reliable payment structure, ensuring that millions of Americans receive their benefits on time throughout the month. For those receiving supplemental security income, commonly known as SSI, your payment arrived on October 1, 2025, which was a Wednesday. SSI provides financial assistance to low-income seniors over 65, as well as individuals who are blind or disabled, and these payments always arrive on the first day of each month. If you're one of the 7.4 million Americans receiving SSI, this program provides essential support with a maximum federal benefit of $967 for individuals in 2025, reflecting the 2.15% cost of living adjustment that took effect this January. The regular Social Security retirement benefits, SSDI payments, and survivor benefits follow a different schedule based on your birth date. If you began receiving Social Security benefits before May 1997, or if you receive both Social Security and SSI, your Social Security payment was delivered on October 3rd, which was a Friday. This group represents long-time beneficiaries who were grandfathered into the third-of-the-month payment system that was used before the current birth date system was implemented. For all other Social Security beneficiaries, your payment date depends on the day of the month you were born. If your birthday falls between the 1st and 10th of any month, you received your October 2025 Social Security payment on Wednesday, October 8th. Those born between the 11th and 20th receive their payment on Wednesday, October 15th, and if your birthday is between the 21st and 31st, your payment arrived on Wednesday, October 22nd. This system ensures that the approximately 68 million Social Security beneficiaries receive their payments in an orderly fashion throughout the month, preventing system overloads and ensuring reliable delivery. One significant change that affects all Social Security and SSI recipients is the transition to electronic payments that became mandatory on September 30, 2025. If you were still receiving paper checks, the Social Security Administration required you to switch to either direct deposit or a Direct Express debit card before this deadline. This change affects roughly 1% of beneficiaries who are still receiving paper checks, and it's designed to improve security, reduce costs, and ensure faster delivery of your benefits. If you haven't made this transition yet, contact the Social Security Administration immediately at 1-800-772-1213 to avoid any interruption in your payments. The 2025 Cost of Living Adjustment, or COLA, brought a 2.5% increase to all Social Security and SSI benefits, which began with January 2025 payments. This increase was based on inflation data from the third quarter of 2024, and while it's smaller than the 3.2% increase we saw in 2024, it still provides valuable additional income for seniors facing rising costs. For the average retired worker receiving $1,907 per month in 2024, this translates to approximately $48 more each month, or about $576 additional per year. For couples where both spouses receive Social Security, this could mean nearly $1,200 extra annually. Understanding how Medicare premiums interact with your Social Security benefits is also important this October. Medicare Part B premiums are typically deducted automatically from your Social Security payments, and any changes in these premiums directly affect your net Social Security benefit. For 2025, the standard Medicare Part B premium is $185 per month, and if you're subject to income-related monthly adjustment amounts, known as IRMA, based on your 2023 income, you may pay additional surcharges that are also deducted from your Social Security check. For veterans receiving both VA disability compensation and Social Security benefits, these payments operate on separate schedules. VA disability payments typically arrive on the first business day of each month, so your October VA payment would have been delivered on October 1st. It's important to note that VA disability compensation doesn't reduce your Social Security benefits, and receiving both is perfectly allowable. Many veterans also qualify for VA pension programs if they serve during wartime and meet income and asset requirements, providing additional financial support beyond Social Security. SSDI beneficiaries should be aware that your disability benefits follow the same payment schedule as regular Social Security retirement benefits based on your birth date. However, if you've been receiving SSDI for 24 months, you automatically qualify for Medicare, which can provide significant healthcare cost savings. This Medicare eligibility is especially important for younger disabled individuals who wouldn't otherwise qualify for Medicare until age 65. For seniors who may be eligible for additional assistance programs, October is an excellent time to review your benefits and see if you qualify for programs like SNAP Food Assistance, LIHEAP Energy Assistance, or your state's pharmaceutical assistance programs. Many of these programs have income limits that consider your Social Security benefits, but the additional support can significantly help stretch your monthly budget. I encourage you to share your experiences with these programs in the comments below, as other viewers often benefit from real-world advice about navigating these systems. Looking ahead to planning for 2026 benefits, the Social Security Administration will announce the 2026 COLA in October 2025, based on third-quarter inflation data. Early estimates suggest the 2026 increase could be around 2.7%, though this won't be official until the announcement. This information helps you plan for next year's benefits and understand how inflation affects your purchasing power over time. If you're approaching age 62 and considering when to claim Social Security benefits, October 2025 represents a good time to create your My Social Security account online and review your estimated benefits. Your full retirement age depends on your birth year, ranging from 66 to 67, and claiming benefits early results in permanent reductions, while delaying benefits past full retirement age increases your monthly payment until age 70. Understanding these timing decisions can significantly impact your lifetime Social Security income. For those already receiving benefits, regularly reviewing your My Social Security account helps ensure your earnings record is accurate and up to date. Errors in your earnings history can reduce your benefits, and it's much easier to correct these mistakes while you're still working or shortly after retirement. The account also provides access to important documents like your benefit verification letter, which many organizations require for various services and programs. I want to emphasize that if you're experiencing financial hardship, don't hesitate to contact your local area agency on aging for additional resources and support. These agencies can help connect you with local programs for food assistance, utility help, transportation services, and other support that can help make your Social Security benefits go further. Many communities have resources specifically designed for seniors that you might not know about. October 2025 brings the continuation of the reliable Social Security payment schedule with the added benefit of the 2.5% COLA increase that began this year. Whether you receive SSI on the first of the month, Social Security on the third if you're a long-time beneficiary, or your payment is scheduled based on your birth date throughout the month, understanding this schedule helps you manage your finances effectively. The mandatory switch to electronic payments ensures your benefits arrive safely and quickly, eliminating concerns about lost or stolen paper checks. Your next steps should include verifying that your payment method is set up correctly for electronic delivery, reviewing your My Social Security account for accuracy, and exploring additional assistance programs that might help supplement your benefits. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to stay updated on important Social Security and senior benefit news. Share your questions or experiences in the comments section, as your insights help create a supportive community for all seniors navigating these important financial decisions. Remember, staying informed about your benefits empowers you to make the best decisions for your financial security and peace of mind.